Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video I will show you how you can add an image to a particular name or an product item to identify in large number of data. So simply open Excel. To open Excel, by in shortcut command press Window plus R. So after pressing Window plus R, the Excel will automatically open. So I have already have a large number of data. So to add an image, simply select where you want to add an image. Right click and click on format comment. After that, click on box border and right click. After that, click on format comment. After that, click on effect. Click on effect to add an image. After that, select image, browser to add image. You can add an image online and offline also. So I have an image on my PC, so I add it. After adding an image, click on OK. After that, you will clearly see that the image is successfully uploaded here. So to identify, just move an person to cursor where you have added an image, so you clearly visible that it make work easier to identify in large number of data. So if it is very it if it is make you very beneficial in your work, so do not forget to like and share.